Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you a bean casserole. This is an easy recipe. It's quick to make. So don't worry. Let's get started. Okay, I cut the meat up. Here, these are the sausages. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare them. Saute them in this pan here. Okay. Add them in there. And I'll show you what they look like after I finish sauteing the sausage. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna add the beans to it. Okay, this is the home style baked beans. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add them to the top of the casserole. Okay, I'm gonna place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. Okay, I have 1 cup of cornmeal and a half a cup of flour. And this flour has baking soda in it. Okay, self-rising flour. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is stevia sugar. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Okay, I added 1 egg. And I'm gonna add a half a cup of milk. This is the cornbread that's gonna go with the bean casserole. Bean sausage casserole, rather.